guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Abraham from Absoftdev.com. Yes, in today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can use Paint 3D in Windows 10 to remove background image. So if you are new to this channel, kindly click the like button, hit this notification bell and comment. So let me share my screen to show you how you can remove background image using Paint 3D.
So guys, to use Paint 3D, you have to come to your taskbar. Then go to the search field and type in Paint 3D. So click on the best match option. Then click on New. Then from here you import the image you want to remove the background by going to the menu. Click on Insert Image. Then choose or open the image you want to remove the background. The next thing we have to do, we go to Magic Select. Bring the borders close to the portion you want to keep. Then you click on Next. Then what you have to do is to add this body. After adding that portion, then you need to remove these parts by clicking or remove. Kindly check if you've done a perfect job. Then you can still zoom the image in or out to also check for perfection. If there is something you need to touch here, kindly do it now. And when you are satisfied with the new image, click on Done. Then you can separate the image you want from the background. Delete the background. Then bring back your image. Then go to Canvas and click on Canvas option. Tick Transparency checkbox on if you want your image to be transparent. And also Show Canvas should be on. To save the image, go to Menu. Click on Save As. Image. In case you forget to turn on transparency mode, the option is still here and you can still turn it on from here by checking this checkbox. So click on Save. And that is how you can use Paint 3D remove background from an image.
Thank you guys, that is all I have for you in today's tutorial. If you are new to this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell and please comment. Tell me what next you want to see on my channel and see you in my next video. One peace out.